Let's begin. So for my braiding pattern, I'll have 10 braids at the front, and it's the Y braid pattern straight back, and I'll have 6 braids at the back. So to begin, what we need is a scissor or crochet needle, and today I'll be using the Motion Braid Afro Natural Soft Dread Hair 100% Kunikalon, and I'll be using number 1. Me goofing around. So I'll be cutting the hair in half because I don't want it to be too long. The thing I like about soft dread hair is that it can be separated into like 3 or 4 different small sections. So just a small demonstration on how it will look without being separated. So this is how it will look. It will kind of give you like a fox loxy kind of look, a dreadlock look, which is why they call it soft dreads. But I'm not going for that style today. Probably next time. I'll be separating my hair into like 3 different sections. For installation, I'll do it just like how I do my regular crochet braids. What I like about the soft dread hair is that you don't have to like knot it or loop it more than 2 or 3 times because it won't unravel because it's actually pretty thick. So it's not like the softer texture hair. So another demonstration. Loop 1, loop 2, and there you go. So yeah, I like the look. So I'm almost finished, and this is how it looks so far. Yep, that's me, Crazy Mishi. And because I'm probably gonna wear a center part most of the time, I'm trying to get the hair pretty close together. Now for the finished look. So this is how it looks when it's finished, and I absolutely love it. With the soft dread hair, it's so light, and yes, still it's not too much hair. I actually only use like 1.5 packs, and I absolutely love it. It's my second time wearing this hair, and I have to recommend it because it's pretty easy to manage, and it actually lasts a pretty long time, and it doesn't really get knotted. So yeah, you can try it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.